what's up? What's up, Royal Family? It is our favorite Tuesday. All right, you guys, I had to come on and explain. We're doing the holiday Thanksgiving series. So each Tuesday, I am supposed to bring a holiday dish that you can put on your Thanksgiving table. But you guys, I stay in Texas. And last night it was 27 degrees. So guess what I opted to do for our video today? I had to have some chicken and dumplings, you guys, especially when it's cold. I thought about doing chili and I was like, nah, I want some chicken and dumplings. And I'm going to do the chicken and dumplings how my mom used to do it. Low cost, low budget, and delicious. So we're going to go to the ingredients. We're going to get this done. And then I'll come back and we'll eat some chicken and dumplings. All right, you guys. Let's get rocking. Okay, you guys. This is what we're going to need. Of course, we're going to cheat. I have a rotisserie chicken here that we're going to use, all right? I have onion powder, celery seed, garlic powder, fennel seed, chicken broth, flour, and good old trusted a can of biscuits. Any kind, you guys, any kind. Just make sure they're not the flaky biscuits. All right, we're going to debone this chicken. Then I'll show you guys what to do next. All right, you guys, let me show you what I did. I took a tablespoon of butter, a half a teaspoon of fennel seed, and half a teaspoon of celery seed. And I just want to stir it around in the pot until all of the butter melts. Because what we're going to do next, you guys, we are going to put this whole, what is the size? 32 ounce of chicken broth in here with the fennel seed, the celery seed, and the butter. We're not going to add the garlic or the onion powder yet. So we're just going to stir it around until all the butter melts. All right. You see that? I know I should have gotten my plastic. I just grabbed the first thing. All right. Now we're going to add the chicken broth. All right. There's the 32 ounce of chicken broth with the fennel seed, butter, and celery seed. Next, you guys, I know I didn't have it on the list. We're going to drop in three bay leaves. What we're trying to do is really add flavor to the broth. And also, you know that rotisserie chicken that we took the meat off? This is what I want you to do. This is the remaining carcass. I know that sounds horrible, don't it? We're actually going to drop it in this broth right here. And what we're going to do, we are going to let that simmer for about 12 minutes. Then we're going to remove it. And when I tell you this broth will be awesome, then we're going to add these quick and easy dumplings, plus the onion powder and the garlic powder. All right, let's do, I said 10 minutes. Let's do 12 minutes on this, then I'll come back. Okay, you guys, here's the can of biscuits that I did. And what I did, I added, I'm going to say maybe a half a cup of flour. And I took each biscuit and I patted it in the flour. And do not take the flour off, you guys. Leave it on. Because what that is going to do is be a thickener for your dumpling juice. So you won't have to add a slurry. So just do this and do all 10. And do not shake off the excess flour. So like that. Then once I do all of these, we're going to come back and roll these babies as thin as possible and then slice them up. All right, let me finish the rest of these, then I'll come back and we'll roll them out. All right, you guys, so I did all 10, and I just want you to know, you guys, I'm not in my own kitchen. So the lighting is not quite right, but you know, being a business owner, I am truly understanding that you have to improvise, you know. The situation might not be right or the conditions might not be right, but you still have to keep going. All right, I usually take a jar, but again, this is the only thing I got. And let me show you how we're going to roll it out. You're going to do this. Then turn it. Then turn it. So that way, they will be thin. And once you do all 10, you can actually stack them and just start cutting them. And I know you're probably going to see my head shadow. Sorry about that. Okay, let's do another one. Take it. Roll it out. Turn it. You know, kind of like a pie crust. But these are just biscuits we're making into dumpling. There you go. Now, they don't all have to be the same size, but you know, you do want it as thin as possible. So you won't have a thick, gummy dumpling. All right, let me get the rest of these done. And the broth should be done by then. Then we're going to drop these babies in. And also, you guys, I forgot to say, we need black pepper. All right, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I've rolled out all 10. These are 10 biscuits. And let me show you how easy it is. You're just going to take it and you're just going to cut it like that. See, all 10 of them. Okay, and you're going to turn it. And you want pretty nice dumplings. And do that. So you're cutting all 10 of the dumplings at the same time. Make sure your knife is pretty sharp. This is not bad, but not as sharp as I would like it. Then I'll show you once I cut them all. This is what we're going to do. So let me finish cutting them all up, and then I'll show you what we'll do next. Okay, you guys, I cut them all up, and then I took a half a cup of flour and just kind of mixed the flour in with them. I would suggest, however, I did 10 at a time, 10 altogether. Do 3 at a time, because some of them I actually had to pull apart, you know, because it was 10. But they're going to make really, really nice dumplings. I have taken the chicken remains or carcass out of the pan, and now we're going to bring it to a not a rapid boil, a medium boil, and then we're going to drop these dumplings, and I'll show you guys. But these are your dumplings. They won't be big and doughy. They'll be perfectly nice, you guys. We're down to the countdown. All right, you guys. This is at a slow boil. Now we're going to add the dumplings. What you want to do is just add some at a time. And then they're going to start floating. And remember, leave the flour on. Do not shake it off. Okay, let's do some more. And you guys, this broth is knocked out of the park. Now let's go ahead and stir it to make sure nothing sticks at the bottom. Okay, let's keep adding. And when you do that, you know, just kind of go around the pot. And they won't stick together. Okay, let's keep going. I like a lot of dumplings, you guys. You know, I know some people like more chicken than dumplings, but I am a dumpling person. And you see those dumplings are going to be perfect. Not too big, not too doughy. All right, you guys, I'm going to add the rest. We're going to let this cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. But I'll let you guys know the exact time. So when I come back, I will show you the final presentation. All right, you guys, here is the finished product of the chicken and dumplings. You see, I just took it out of the pot. It's still steaming. You guys, what took this over the top is the fennel seed and the celery seed, and putting the carcass of the rotisserie chicken in the chicken broth. I mean, it is not dead good. But I'm going to come back and take a bite with you guys. But I just want you to see the dumplings. Look at that. Look at the meat in it. And you see they're not big and gawky. All right. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. We are done. Let me show you these dumplings. You guys, I really want some cornbread, but I can't do cornbread anymore. All right, but I can do dumplings. Look at this. You see that? See that chicken hanging right there? Look. No lie, you guys. This really hit the spot. But next week, I promise, I'll start back on the Thanksgiving. You guys, I'm going to do a Tennessee whiskey cranberry sauce. And I got a knock dead gorgeous cake. All right, one more bite. One more bite. Let me blow it. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. And until next week, you guys, stay blessed. And you never know, I might pop back up again. Look at that. It's smoking, you guys. God bless you.